In she goes. Egg. And about a teaspoon of oil. Right. Whisk. There we go. Now, we're going to fry it up.
You just get a ladle into that. Now, the best way to tell when a pancake's cooked is when it's got holes in it. And you'll see that in about a minute. Alright, now she's ready to flip. Just put this under here. That, and boom! See that? Now you let that cook for about another 30 seconds. Alright, get her out the fry pan. Plonk her on the plate. And you get your low fat sauce. Some syrup. And we got some icing sugar. And you got yourself a healthy pancake in 5 easy steps.